In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your shared mailbox to HubSpot inbox using HubSpot CRM. Our goal is to make this process as simple and streamlined as possible. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by visiting the HubSpot homepage. This is the main hub for accessing all the tools HubSpot offers, and it serves as our gateway to setting up the shared inbox feature. If you're already familiar with navigating the HubSpot website, this step will feel like second nature. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner for the login button. Clicking this button takes you directly to the HubSpot sign-in page. After logging in with your credentials, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. This is your central dashboard where you can manage your HubSpot activities. From this screen, locate the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear and can be found in the upper navigation bar. Clicking on settings is an essential step because it directs you to where all the configurations and customizations happen in HubSpot. Once inside the settings menu, navigate to the email option. This will take you into the email management section where you can integrate various email functionalities with HubSpot. This is where we make the magic happen. Look for the option that says Connect Personal Email. Clicking on this will initiate the process of connecting your shared mailbox with HubSpot. Now, you should see an option labeled Connect Your Inbox. It's important to remember that this isn't just connecting any inbox, it's establishing a connection between your shared mailbox and HubSpot, which will allow for seamless communication within your team and better tracking of customer interactions. Select this option and follow the prompts. These prompts will guide you through a detailed set of instructions tailored to your specific email provider. This adaptability ensures that whether you're using Gmail, Outlook, or another service, the integration will be smooth and trouble-free. Depending on your email provider, you might need to authorize HubSpot to access your mailbox or verify some permissions. Don't worry, this is a standard part of integrating any email service with HubSpot and is designed to keep your information secure and private. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your shared mailbox should now be connected to HubSpot Inbox, making it much easier to manage email communications directly within your CRM. Not only does this integration help in organizing emails, but it also enhances collaboration within teams by keeping track of every customer interaction and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments below. We're always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tricks. Happy HubSpotting!